We have this 4-foot by 10-inch pine board from Lowe's, and here's the transfer Wondrous Flower. It's just a beautiful transfer with many big, vibrant flowers. And for this project, we're only going to need one panel, as it comes in a panel of 3. We are going to start by applying Dry Time by Wise Owl using a foam roller, and then giving it a good sanding. Now guys, it's really important that your paint is completely dry. You may want to even wait a day or 2 before applying your transfer. This welcome stencil we found at Hobby Lobby for $5.99, and it comes in 2 parts, and we taped it together to make it all one part. Once measuring and taping off our stencil, we took a foam roller and some black paint from Wise Owl. You want to load and unload, and with a very dry brush, roll over your entire stencil and then lift it. We then cut out the desired parts of our transfer in preparation to apply it to our board. These transfers come on almost feels like a wax paper. It's the protective paper, and once peeled off, the sticky part is no longer protected. So you want to make really certain that you don't touch it, because once you lay it down, you have to commit. And then you want to just rub and make sure you're getting all the bubbles and making sure that every part of this transfer is adhered to the board. This is a little time consuming. And your transfer comes with a little wooden stick that we're using to rub on to adhere the image to your project. Once on, you want to take a cotton rag, and this is what we call burnish. And this you want to spend some time rubbing the transfer, and again, making sure that all the bubbles and every part is secured to your project. Now we're at the top of our welcome sign, and we're repeating all the steps that we just went over. You could probably get 3 welcome signs out of this one transfer. Now we're going to use Wise Owl matte varnish. It also comes in satin, and our B10 Klingon brush. To save some money, you can use a gem foam brush. We have it in our favorite products on our webpage, chalkitupfancy.com. You can also grab the varnish and any paint products also at chalkitupfancy.com, along with the Klingon brushes. Now the varnish, you just need a very small amount, and you do not want to overwork this product. You want to just get it on, make sure you grab any drips, let it dry, especially if you're going to be putting something outside. You want to put it on 3 coats.